Open document spreadsheets, formulae versus functions. The formula for calculating an average is to divide the sum of the values by the number of values. In this cell, a function has been used to add up or find the sum of the values. And in this cell, a different function has been used to count how many values there are. Select cell D13 and click on the equals sign. Select the cell containing the total, or the sum of the values. Press a / for divide by, and select the cell containing the count or number of values. Click on Accept. This is known as a formula. A formula generally uses cell references and sometimes other numbers. It also uses mathematical operators, like divide by, times, plus and minus. To reduce the number of decimal places in the formula, click on Delete Decimal Place until there are no decimal places. Notice that the result of the formula is shown as a value in the cell. To copy the value to the adjacent cells, drag. Select an adjacent cell and a different formula is seen. The cell references have been changed relative to where the formula is. Select H4. We can also find an average by using a function. Click on the equal sign and type average. Open a round bracket and select the range where the average must be found. Type a closing bracket and click on Accept. Reduce the number of decimal places and copy to the cells below. These cells contain a function for calculating the average. Sometimes the totals are not available to be used in a formula. Select row 11 and row 12, right-click and select Hide. Delete all the formulae. Select D13. We'll now use a formula which uses functions. Click on equals and type sum. This means we need to add up all the values in this range. Type a closing bracket. Type a / for divide by. And count. Open the bracket. Select the range again. Close the bracket. So we'll now divide the sum of the values by the count of the values. Click on Accept. This is a formula that we've typed in using two functions.